Did NC State remove or destroy evidence of toxic chemicals? That allegation was made today in front of a judge. Thank you for joining us. I'm Gerald Owens.
And I'm Deborah Morgan. Only 5 on your sides. Keely Arthur was in court as attorneys representing a former graduate student battling cancer presented arguments. Keely, the judge called this a matter of extreme urgency.
That's right, Deborah. He really seemed to understand what a lot of people believe is at stake here. We have hundreds of people saying they became sick after working or learning in Poe Hall, and they want answers. But for 5 months, NC State has prevented anyone else from getting into that building and independently testing it. Well, this petition may change that.
I mean, what are they hiding? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
A passionate plea from attorneys with hundreds of clients connected to Poe Hall, who've tried for months to get into the building and conduct independent testing. They say they've been stonewalled at every turn.
I cannot understand, Your Honor, why all of this somehow is secret information when it's a public building and it's a public university.
In civil court, they asked Judge Hoyt Tessner to finally give them access.
That's why we're here today. We need some help.
A petition filed on behalf of former graduate student Darren Major alleges NC State may have removed or destroyed evidence of PCBs, toxic chemicals that were found in Poe Hall, something we've asked about before.
Have any PCBs or sources been removed since the building was closed?
I can't answer that, Keely. I mean, Geosyntech is in the building testing right now, so I know that they're in the business.
You can't answer if anything's been removed?
I don't believe anything's been cleaned up.
During the hearing, another revelation. Attorneys working on behalf of NC State telling the court the university turned on the building's HVAC system 9 days ago, a move that experts say could significantly alter testing results, admitting the university's own consultants have not taken any samples of the building since when pressed.
But that didn't answer my question.
No, I mean, samples were not collected.
Judge Tessner will decide next week if outside experts can finally get into Poe Hall. If they do, they will collect their own evidence and samples, something that could pave the way for many lawsuits to come.
Now, attorneys working on behalf of NC State argued that this is a workers' comp complaint. It belongs in a completely different court. They say it should be in the Industrial Commission. But these attorneys work on behalf of the victims and the many other people who say they became sick from this building. Deborah, say they don't want to wait any longer. They don't care how they get into this building. They just want someone else to get into this building because they believe that NC State has really botched this whole investigation.